morning, my peoples. Now we're here at Flying J now, filling up almost. Got 2 trucks in front of us. Nothing special today, nothing crazy, hopefully. We got a new load. We finally got rid of the bullshit products load. And we're about to fuel up. And I'll take over. Jump in the shower real quick. Hopefully we can do some laundry too. Hopefully it's empty. But yeah, nothing special today. Today is Thursday. I didn't do no vlog yesterday because that load really got me tired. God damn. Mentally, all that shit. So now we got this so-called special load. Yeah, delivers tomorrow. I'm still looking for that miracle. This bullshit load pays $800. So let's see, let's hope. We're here. This Flying J is busy, look at that. See that truck in front of us, he just went, parked, locked the key. Went inside. We don't know how long that's gonna take. There's an oversized in front of him. So hasn't moved yet either. It is what it is. We're not in a rush. The permit's for tomorrow. But the faster we get there, the faster we can relax. And sector and sector. So we started the day. Just gotta go and brush my teeth, take a shower, and drive like 9 hours, I guess. And we started the day. Okay. Bam. Yeah, we're here parking. See that? It's my co-driver Riley backing it in. No help or anything. Yeah, good. It's crazy over here. It's freaking hot. Feels like California or Vegas. Gosh. Man. See, we were over here on this spot because this area over here is up to pass the bumper. The line, we have to move it to this spot here. Back of the right way. We were sticking out in the front. We don't want to get hit, be blamed. Or probably somebody make a video and be like, look at Prime. They parked the way they wanted. Laundry time, 2 weeks. Shower time. Where's the way? God damn, feel like fucking Vegas. Sweating like a mother F.
Wouldn't be so bad if the humidity wasn't so high.
Right? Oops. Here at the shower. Yeah, I ain't show you today. Nah. Cause I gotta go out before the washing machine stops. I got 35 minutes. I gotta do a little exercise, you know. I hate to do laundry in the truck stuff. It sucks. This is the only interesting thing that we saw today. Thursday. Schneider hit another truck that was parked. He was trying to go around wide, and trying to keep that trailer close to his hole, but he kept it too close. That sucks. It sucks for the red truck, the driver, because something like that could, wow, really get you in trouble financial because somebody else made the mistake, you know. Yeah, something that I don't wish to nobody. Sucks, man. But yeah, other than that, nothing interesting. We're done for the day, Thursday, And bam, this is vlog 6. God bless.